Alright class, before we start, we have a new student coming in.
Hi, I'm Lily.
Oh, okay, you can sit next to Max.
I can't believe she gets to sit by Max. What?
Hi, I'm Max.
Hi, I'm Lily.
Wow, she's so cute.
Oh, I can't believe it. My crush is in love with that nerd. So today's stream, it's Max over here. Oh no, my books.
Lily's books! Here you go, Lily. And I was kind of, huh?
There we go. Oh. Thanks, Max.
No problem. I'll see you later in class.
Oh, whatever. I'll just go back to my stream.
Alright, make sure you write this down because this is going to be on the midterm.
Okay, Professor.
I should try to talk to her. I was wondering if you could...
I can't hear the professor.
Man. Oh!
What? No way!
Oh, I hope she says yes.
Max, littering is bad.
Oh, no, wait. No!
Much better.
Oh, girls love candy. But first, what's your favorite candy? Leave a comment down below. You have 3 seconds to do it. 1, 2, 3, done. Thank you. Now let's give Lily her candy. Psst, Lily, this is for you.
Max, there's no food allowed. See? Professor!
Wait, no, I'm putting it away. Oh, Professor, I want to do a problem.
Okay, just tell me what number it is. Ah!
Watch this. That's how you solve. Oh, never mind.
Excellent work, Max. Let's continue with the lesson.
I need to find a way to make Lily notice me.
Alright, the exam scores are ready. Let's see.
Oh, I hope it's an A. An A minus? Oh, I need to study harder.
What, an F? Oh, this is my chance. Lily, I failed my test. Can you please tutor me? Come on, I really need your help.
Fine, I guess.
Yes, great.
Wait up.
Here, Lily, right this way. Sit down right here.
Thanks.
So what do you think, Lily?
I think we should start on chapter 4.
No, the flowers on the table, and I got you these.
Here we are, chapter 4, chromosome variation. One of the best
Lily's
known
so
classes.
smart.